Alright, as promised, I've got the dented Suzuki Sx4 hood here. I've marked out the vents for our WRC style hood. There's going to be some origami and some peening of the edges I do so that we don't have any sharps. Let's get into it. Okay, I was surprisingly ambitious this evening. So you can see I've cut the 3 vents. What I've done here is I've peened the edge so it's round. Ain't gonna cut myself on that. So the edges are round now, gonna sand those down. And this is my grill from when the vehicle actually got hit. So the grill is in pieces, but that's fine, because we're gonna cut these pieces and make the vent inserts. Then afterwards we're gonna Raptor line this, do some logos up the one side, I think, and that'll be that. The Raptor liner is matte, so it's going to hide all the imperfections from the collision. Alright, the camera slows me down. I got carried away. This is the final look of the triple vent WRC clone hood. Matte black Raptor liner. We've got some hand painted labels and logos, including the Suzuki S, since my factory grill got obliterated. Let me know what you think.